All of you, come on now, jump up high and touch the sky. Very good. Jump up high and touch the sky. Jump, jump, jump. Very good. Let's see who are jumping to the highest height. Jump. Wow. Very good, children. Now, come on, everybody. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Round and round and round and round. Come on, turn around, everybody. Turn around, children. Very good. Turn around. Very good. Stop. Stop. Now, bend forward and touch your toes. And then bend backwards as much as possible. Oh my God. Once again, bend forward and touch your toes. And then bend back. Bend forward and touch your toes. And then bend back side as much as possible. All right, children. I'll count to 8. Okay, start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very good. Now everybody put your hands on your hips, children. All of you put your hands on your hips and rotate your hips round 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Let's start doing it. Okay. Come on, start everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Now in the other direction, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, children. Now everybody put your hands on your shoulders. Tap your shoulders like this. Yes, very good. And join your elbows and rotate your elbows round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in the other direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Good job. Very good, children. Now all of you put your hands forward like this. Everybody should put your hands forward and rotate your wrist around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now in the other direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. Good job. All right. So here somebody are asking me about the classes. We take online classes for students. You can check the description box here below for more information regarding the online classes. And we have classes in the morning session. In the morning session, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, like that. So for that classes, you can get in touch with me. In the description box, you have the details over there. Okay, if anybody are looking out for the online classes for this month, you can just get in touch with me. So if there are anybody who are looking out for online classes, once again, I'm saying you can get in touch with me because I have given you the details in the description box below. All right. In the morning session, we take online classes. One more thing, please don't call me. You have to WhatsApp me, because if you call me, see, now I'm in the class, I will definitely not attend this class, this call. That is the reason I always ask you to leave a message. Even if it is late, I'll see and I'll reply back to you. All right. Very good. Now, children, come on, everybody. Come on. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Everybody should clap your hands now. Now, let's clap your hands fast. How many times? 10 times? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. I said only 10 times. Now, let's all clap our hands 12 times. Listen to my instructions. Let's clap 12 times slowly. Okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stop. It's only 12 times I said, right? Okay. Welcome to all the new students. I see so many new students here in our batch today. Welcome to you all, children. For more details regarding our online classes, just go back and check in the description box of this video or any other video on my channel. You can get in touch with me and I'll give you details regarding that as well. However, these online YouTube classes will be there every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 o'clock from Monday. Okay? 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 5 o'clock in the evening. Good. You can watch this YouTube live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, evening 5 o'clock. That is for free. I mean, you can come live and join me. And still, if you're looking out for some interactive classes and all, which we are conducting in the morning session, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, you can get in touch with me. There, I have details in the description box below. All right. This is the information to all the parents out there. Come on, children, everybody. Now, what's next? Can you all show me your happy faces, children? Are you all happy today? Yes? So can you show me your happy face? Once show me your happy face, everybody. You have to smile and show your teeth like this and say, I'm happy. This is happy. For UKG, nursery, LKG, all we have online classes. That's what I'm saying. You check my description box after this class is over. For preschooling, we have online classes. You can just get in touch with me. Yeah, somebody are writing about the UKG online classes. I'm saying to you. Come on, everybody. Show me your happy face. Yashas, hi, Yashas. But don't call me like this. I'm again telling you. Put a message to me. Show me your happy faces. Very good. Now, can you all show me your sad faces, children? Show me your sad faces. Very good. Now, can you all show me your angry faces, children? Can you all show me your angry face? What happened to you? Why are you not listening to my classes? What happened to you? This is a, hi Peter, you are here. This is a angry face. Can you show me your scared face, which is fear face? Can you all show me your fear face? Fear, how do you show fear? If there is a tiger beside you, how do you show a fear face? This is how you should show. Now, can you show me your surprised faces? Can you all show me your surprised faces? This is surprise. This is surprise faces. All right, children. So you should learn the emotions correctly. Can you all show me your thoughtful faces? Think it. This is your thinking face. Okay. All right, children. Fine. Very good. Now, what is next? Let's once quickly learn the opposite words. What are those opposite words? Come on, everybody, show me. Yashash, come on, show me here. Opposite words. Opposite words. Opposite words. The first opposite word is big and small. Big and small. Can you show me big and small? Yes. Can you show me the big and small? Come on, everybody. Big. Can you draw a big circle, children? Can you draw a big circle? Yes. Big. Big circle. Draw a big circle like this. Big. big, a very big circle. Big circle. Big circle. Now, can you all draw a small circle? Come on, let's draw a small circle. Small circle. Small circle. A small circle. Like this. A small circle. Okay, this is a small circle. Big circle, a small circle. Can you now draw a big circle? Can you draw a small circle? Okay, very good. There is a rhyme also. Can you draw a big circle, a round circle? Now, can you draw a small circle, a round circle? Big, small are the opposite words. Okay. Okay, children. Now, next is fast and slow. Fast and slow. How do you show fast in action? Roll your hands like this. Fast. Fast. Come on, make it fast. 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 Now, slow. 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 Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. So, fast and slow are the opposite words. Okay, children. Fast and slow are the opposite words. Now, let's all clap fast. Fast. Slow. 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 Fast again. And now slow. 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 All right, children. So, fast and slow. No, not at all. That's what they complain. Fast and slow are the opposite words. All right, children. Fine. Now, what is next? Can you tell me what is next? One minute. So, what is the next thing, children? What is the next thing? After fast and slow and big and small, the third opposite word is come and go. All right. Come and go. Come, come here. Go, go away. Go, go. Come closer, children. Everybody come close. Go away. Just go away. Go. Come. Go away. Just go. All right, children. Come and go are the opposite words. Okay. Come and go are the opposite words. All right. Now, what is next? Tell me what is next. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. All right, children. Up in the air. Down. Up in the air and down. Up and down are the opposite words. All right, children. Up and down are the opposite words. Okay. Up and down are the opposite words. All right. Up. Down. Up in the sky, down on the floor. Up in the sky, down on the ground. Up and down are opposite words. All right. Now, what is the next opposite word, children? In and out. In and out. In and out. See? In, out. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. In, out. In, out. In and out are opposite words. All right. And next is open and close. Come on, everybody, close your eyes like this. Children, come on, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now open and close. Open, close. So here some parents are asking me about the online classes. In my description box, I've given you the details. You can just check and get back to me over there. Okay, I've given you the details in the description box below. Come on, everybody, open, close, open, close, open and close, open and close, open and close, open and close. Good job. Very good, children. Come on, everybody, close your eyes. Now open your eyes. Close and open are the opposite words. All right, children. Now let's all sing a rhyme on open and close. All right. Fine. Put your hands like this, everybody, first. Open, close them. Open, close them. Give a little clap. Clap, clap, clap. Put it in your lap. Lap, lap, lap. Put it in your lap. Lap, lap, lap. Once again, shall we sing the same rhyme? Yes? Join me. Come on, everybody, quickly close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hey, you, come on, close your eyes. And now start saying, open, close them. Open, close them. Give a little clap. Clap, clap, clap. Put it in your lap. Lap, lap, lap. Put it in your lap. Lap, lap, lap. Once again, shall we do it, children? Yes? Come on, let's start. Close your eyes, everybody, close your eyes. And now start saying, open, close them, open, close them. Give a little clap, 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 clap. Put it in your lap, 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 lap. Put it in your lap, 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 lap. All right, children. So this is a rhyme for open and close. Now, next, what is the other opposite word? What is the other opposite word? In and out, open and close, come and go, fast and slow, up and down, big and small. These are all opposite words. All right, children. Okay, now next is weekdays. So, children, now can you all tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? Can you all tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. And they are, come on, start along with me. Yes, rough and smooth. See, smooth, rough, smooth, rough, smooth, rough are the opposite words. Happy and sad. Happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad are also the opposite words. Left and right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right are the opposite words. Okay. Left. Everybody turn towards your left side and say left. Come on, all of you turn right. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right are the opposite words. Okay. Good. So now let's do the weekdays. All right, children. Come on, start. How many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. Come on, everybody, count and open your 7 little fingers. Count and open your 7 little fingers. Yes, there are 7 days in a week and what are they? They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So total there are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? Can you tell me in my ears quietly? 7 days? High five. Come on, everybody. High five. So there are 7 days in a week, and they are, tell quietly, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Yay! Good job! Now, let's talk about the months of the year. Can you now tell me how many months are there in a year and what are they? There are 10 and 2. Total 12 months in a year. 12 months? Do you know what they are? Yes? Come on, read along with me. January. Okay, fine. Let's do this like a song, okay? Now, all of you quickly go and get a paper. I'll tell you what. Yes, go and get a paper. Like this. Get a paper, children, all of you. Make it into a roll and like this, fold it into a mic. Hello, hello, everybody there. Children, are you there? Are you there? Look here, look here. Come on, let's start singing. So listen to me. There are some rules that you have to follow while singing. Okay, do you know what they are? Let me tell you. First, you have to hold your mic like this right in front of your mouth. So rule number 1, you cannot sing like this, you cannot sing like this, you cannot sing like this, or you cannot sing like this, or you cannot sing, hey, how are you? No, you have to put your mic in front of your mouth is the rule number 1. And the second rule is, you have to keep a smiling face. You cannot sing like this. What happened to you? What happened to you? You should not sing like that. That is wrong. You have to have a smiling face and sing. Oh, wow. Yay, yay, yay. You have to smile and sing. Okay. You should be happy faces. You should keep a happy face while singing. All right. And the third important thing is, you should wave your body while singing. You should not sing like this, okay? You have to move your body and you also move your hands while singing. These 3 rules you must keep in mind. Okay, children? Come on. Let's all start singing now. Let's all start singing now. Let's sing the let's sing the months of the year song. All right, join me. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. One more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Fantastic, children. Let's do again. Come on. Ready, go, start singing. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. One more time. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's great, children. Good job. That's great. Good job. That is how you have to sing songs, all right? One more song you have, please and thank you. That also you can sing like this, like please and thank you. Please and thank you. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Say it every day. Please and thank you. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Say it every day. Pencil. Can I have a pencil, please? Crayons. Can I have some crayons, please? Scissors. Can I have some scissors, please? Here you are. Thank you. Thank you very much. Come on, please and thank you. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Say it every day. Please and thank you. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Say them every day. Very good, children. Very good. So this is how you have to learn singing. All right. Do you all want to sing ABC song along with me today? Yes? Come on, let's start singing. A B C D E F G. Hey, you have to smile. H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next, I want you to sing with me. Shall we all sing it together, children? Yes? Let's do again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next, I want you to sing with me. That's fantastic. So, children, shall we all sing this butterfly song now? Yes? Join me. Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. Once again, shall we sing it, children? Yes? Join me. Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. All right, children. Good job. So, shall we all sing My Red Balloon song? You all like the My Red Balloon song, no, children? Come on, let's all sing it together now. This one we will sing with action now. All right. Come on. My red balloon, my red balloon flies high, flies high, flies high, flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it. Why? My red balloon, my red balloon flies high, flies high, flies high. I jumped up high to reach the sky, but could not reach it. Why? My red balloon, my red balloon flies high, flies high, flies high. Flies high, flies high, flies high. Flies high, flies high, flies high. All right, children, very good. This is the song My Red Balloon. Okay, now shall we all sing this easy rhyme for you, Chubby Cheeks rhyme? Yes? Let's give a quick recap. Come on. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too, teacher's pet. Is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Good job. Once again, let's do it all right. Come on, start. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes, yes. Very good, children. So, today we had a great rhyme session, right? Now, let's quickly do with our Letter identification. I would like to see how many of you can identify the letter, and if there are any UKG students here, then I want you to tell the phonic sound of that letter as well. All right. All right, children. Now, come on, everybody. If you have really liked this session, please hit a like button. Hit a like. If you have this, you can go back and check it and get in touch with me. I will be there to help you out with that. All right, children. So, if anybody are looking for online classes, you can just ping me. And if you have really liked my online classes, please hit a like button. If you are looking out for the online sessions for your children in the morning time, you can ping me. I have given the details on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates relating with respect to the preschool kids. This is exclusively only for preschool related content. So, children, come on. Quickly, let's go through the phonic sounds of English alphabet now. Here you go. Come on, tell me. Tell me which alphabet is this one? This is letter A. A says apple. A, a, apple. A, a, apple. I see so many new students today. All of you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because there is so much of informative content in this channel with respect to the preschooling. And don't forget to hit a like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to come live every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We have online classes, YouTube live, 5 o'clock in the evening. So you can join every Monday, Wednesday, Friday evening, 5 o'clock. You have these classes. How you have joined today? Like that only you have to join every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right, children. Come on, tell me now. Which alphabet is here, children? It's letter B. Letter B. B says balloon. 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 Letter C. C says cat. Cat. D. 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 Doll. 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 Egg. 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 F says fish. 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 Letter G. G says guitar. 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 Letter H. H says helicopter. 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 I says igloo. 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 And also, in some places, I gives the sound of I itself, as in ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Jag. Jag. I have my details in the description box below here. I'm seeing some parents are asking me about all the details. In this live, after this stream is over, go back to my channel. On any live I have given my details. You can just check there. Kite. 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 L says lion. 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 Letter M. M says mango. 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 N says nest. 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 O says octopus. 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 P says peacock, peacock, peacock. Q says quill, quill, quill. Quill, quill, quill. R says rose, rose, rose. All right, children. Rose, rose, rose. S says sun, sun, sun. S says sun, sun, sun. T says tin, tin, tin. U says umbrella, 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 umbrella. V says van, van, van. Van. Van, van. W says watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. W says watermelon, watermelon, watch. X says X-ray, 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 or else xylophone. Yak, yak. Over. Where is Z? Z says zip, 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 zip. All right. So these are your phonic sounds. Everybody should be thorough with all the phonic sounds, children. Okay. Now here quickly, I will show you some picture cards and I want you to identify I will show you the pictures. I want you to tell me the words. What are those? Okay. Come on, everybody. Can you tell me what is this? Balloon. Very good. Bell. It's tongue. It's a tongue. And this is teeth. Teeth. What is this, children? Have you ever seen this one? It's a tie. 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 Nail. 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 Zip. 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 Spoon. 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 And here this is stool. Stool. We call it stool. What is this, children? This is a chain. Chain. We call it chain. What is this? What is this, children? It's a tap. It's a tap. And what is this? Umbrella. This one you call it as a palm. Can you all show me your palm? This is called palm. This one is palm. And these are fingers. This is palm. Palm. And what is this? It's a piano. It's a piano. It's a piano. And this is a pen. 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 Very good, children. Would you like to see some indoor games here? These are the indoor games. Have you seen these indoor games? Have you ever played these indoor games, children? Yes. Can you tell me which indoor game is here? It's carom. Caroms. And this is, have you ever played this game? Dart. You have to throw it to the target. Dart. We call it dart. And this is bowling alley. This is bowling. And here we have snakes and ladder. Along with this, we also have chess, brain vita, ludo as our indoor games. All right, children. So now I would quickly like to say a nice story to you. Okay. Come on, see. Can you guess what is the story about? Can you guess what is the story about? Anybody? Can you guess what is the story about? The story is about a rainy day. About a rainy day. So children, now can you tell me how many seasons do we have? Here in India, we have summer, winter, and monsoon. Summer, winter, and monsoon. Summers are very hot. Summers are very hot. Winters are very cool. And in monsoon, we have rainfall. So today we have a story about a rainy day. In Monday's class, we will learn about the seasons. All right, children? In Monday's class, we will learn about the rainy season. So first, now look at this picture. Can you tell me what is happening in the picture? Here in this picture, you can see a girl wearing a nice new party wear dress. Isn't it? Have you seen it? A girl is wearing a nice new party wear dress. So let's see what she is saying, okay? Today is Elena's friend's birthday. Elena is very excited to go to the birthday party. She is very excited to go to her friend's birthday party. Her mother helped her get this new dress, put on the new dress. See, look at the matching shoes she's having, matching earrings, and matching hairband, everything. She dressed up so well to go to Elena's friend's birthday party. Okay, she got everything matching just to go to the friend's birthday party. She was so excited to go to the birthday party. Have you ever been to your friend's birthday party, children? Did you ever go to your friend's birthday party? Yes? Then what happened suddenly? We will see. Elena looked out of the window. When she looked out of the window, what did she see? What's happening outside? Can you tell me what is happening outside here? It was raining outside. It was raining outside. She started crying. I want to go to my friend's birthday party, but now it is raining. How can I go, mommy? She started crying because her new dress will get wet if she goes into the rain like this, no? So she started crying because she wants to go to a birthday party and now it is raining. How she can go to the party? Let's see what she did. Then she ran to her mother. Her mom, she ran to her mother and said, Mommy, I want to go to my friend's birthday party, but now it is raining. How can I go there? Then suddenly, Mommy said, Don't worry, baby. You can still go to your friend's birthday party. But how? It is raining heavily outside. I will get wet. My dress will get wet. What can I do now? Then Mommy said, In rainy season, we have to wear raincoat, gumboots, so that your new sandals will not get wet, and your dress also will not get wet, and your hair also will not get wet. So when you go out in rain, what should you do, children? You have to wear a raincoat. You have to wear a raincoat when you go outside. You have to wear a raincoat so that you will not get wet. Then what happened? Once, see, children, she wore this raincoat, right? Then she started telling her mommy, now my shoes will get wet. This is my new shoes, what can I do? She started crying again. Then mommy got her a gumboots. Did you see these gumboots, children? These gumboots will not make your feet or sandals wet. These are called gumboots. Raincoat and gumboots we carry in the monsoon to make sure will not get wet. Okay, Lakshmi baby. Okay, children. So, mommy gave her the gumboots so that she can also put on. Then she started asking her mommy, I am wearing the rain suit and gumboots, but what about you? Now you will get wet. How can you come along with me? Then mommy said, Oh, don't worry, my dear. I have an umbrella with me. I can take this umbrella. See, don't worry, I have an umbrella with me. I can take this umbrella so that I will also not get wet. Now let's go to the birthday party happily in the rainy season. So, children, and then Elena and mommy went to the birthday party together like this. So, children, can you tell me what all things you need in the rainy season, children? Tell me what all things you need in the rainy season. You need raincoat, gumboots, and umbrella in the rainy season so that you will not get wet anywhere you want to go outside. You should carry a raincoat, gumboots, and an umbrella in the rainy season. Rainy seasons are also called monsoon. Monsoon. Rainy seasons are called monsoon. We need to carry a raincoat, gumboots, and umbrella to make sure you will not get wet in the rains. All right, children. Fine. This is about the rainy season. So, let's learn something about rainy season now. Rainy seasons, we have rain all around. We need to wear raincoats, gumboots, and carry an umbrella when we go out in the rainy season. We like to play with paper boats in the rainy season. All right, children, what is the activity we do in the rainy season? We play with paper boats in the rainy season. Now, can you all tell me what food we like to eat? In rainy seasons, we like to drink hot chocolate milk in the rainy season and sweet corn in the rainy season. These are the food we eat in the rainy season. Now come on everybody, we have to play with paper boats in the rainy season. No, in the rain we have to make paper boats and put in the rain. So quickly, come Aditya, come on, take a paper. We are going to make a paper boat now. Come on everybody, come on, look here, come on, open a paper. Let's make a paper boat now from this one. Fold your. So this is how. So children, now can you tell me what is the shape of this paper right now? What is the shape of this paper? It's rectangle. It's rectangle. Okay. Now, shall I make magic and do this paper into a square? Would you like to see? Would you like to see? I'll turn this paper into square with my magic. Keep looking now. You have seen a rectangle, right? Now, can you tell me what is the shape of this paper? It's a square. I changed this into a square shape. Have you seen this? Now, again, close your eyes, everybody. All of you, close your eyes. It's a square. It's a square. Now, again, everybody, close your eyes, children. Now, which shape is this one? Which shape is this one? It's a triangle. Yes, children. Now, square, rectangle. Can you do all these shapes magic with a paper like me? Square, triangle. Okay. Okay, children, come on. Now, let's cut this paper like this and make it into a square. Okay. Now, we need this square paper to make a paper boat. All right, children. Look at me. You have to fold it like this. One. Fold it like this. And again, fold it like this. Okay. Four fold. Like this, like this. Okay. Now what will you do? Just look here, children. 1, 2, and 3. You have to fold on one side and 1 on the other side. Okay. Now what's next? You have to make it into a diamond now. Like this. Now, come on, everybody, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Here comes your surprise. Ta-da! What is this? Here you go. It's the paper boat. What is this, children? This is a paper boat. Paper boat. In the rainy season, we make paper boats and play in the rainy season. Do you all want to make a paper boat like me? Then, once this class is over, this session will be recorded. You can go back and check it on my channel, and this one you can see. And I know most of the parents, you already know the paper boats. This is how you should make a paper boat. Okay, children? But a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. Life is but a dream. And this is a rain song at the end. Hey, little Elena wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Once again. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Elena wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. All right, children. So this is all about today's class. I'll see you again on Monday evening 5 o'clock. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And those who are coming to my channel for the first time, if you are planning to join any of the online classes with us, I have given you full details in the description box below. You can go back and check and get in touch with me. Till then, have a happy weekend, children. Take care. Bye. See you. Signing off.